This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 31 IOStream II. The video introduces the IOStream classes and Java's java.io package, covering how these classes are utilized for input-output processing in programs, including their application in code examples. A program is demonstrated that reads input from the user via the keyboard using the dataInputStream class and performs calculations. The file class and its methods for file operations are also introduced, including how to create file objects and obtain file information. The process of reading contents from a file using the fileInputStream class is illustrated. The process of writing to a file is explained, where bytes are stored in an array. A fileOutputStream object is created to connect the program to the target file for writing, and the array of bytes is written into the file using the write method. If the file exists, its content is overwritten, otherwise a new file is created. The file is closed after the write operation completes. The fileInputStream class is introduced for creating objects to read files. The read method reads one byte at a time until the end of file is reached. Each byte read is temporarily stored and converted to a character, which is then printed on the standard output device. The fileInputStream is similar to the fileOutputStream for writing operations. A basic file I/O program is demonstrated, utilizing the FileReader and FileWriter classes for reading from and writing to files using character streams. The program reads one character at a time until the end of file and writes to the output file. Exceptions for file not found, permissions, and corruption are handled. The output file is overwritten, erasing any previous content. The fileInputStream and fileOutputStream classes are explained for performing file I/O operations using byte streams. The program creates objects for input and output files, connecting the program to the sources. It reads from the input file and writes to the output file byte by byte until the end of file is reached, demonstrating how to read, write, copy and store data in files. Reading and writing data to and from files using the fileInputStream, fileOutputStream, dataInputStream, and dataOutputStream classes is covered. The program generates random numbers and stores them in a file using the dataOutputStream's writeInt method. It then reads the data from the file using the dataInputStream's readInt method and prints it to the console, demonstrating how to store program-generated data in a file and later retrieve it from the same file. The concept of merging two files is introduced, which is demonstrated after explaining file read and write operations. The sequenceInputStream class is discussed, which can be used to combine two files into one. The program creates fileInputStream objects for two files, and then uses a sequenceInputStream to concatenate the contents of the first two files into a third file. A buffered input stream is used to read and display the content of the merged file. The video concludes with key takeaways, including potential file I/O applications using java.io classes, reading and writing data to files using stream classes, handling exceptions in file operations, copying and merging files using stream classes, storing and retrieving program data to and from files, and combining multiple files using the sequenceInputStream class. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.